Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create Rapunzel's wedding dress on Dress to Impress. So I did use some Roblox items and stuff like that, so let's get started with the video. I'm just going to remove everything except for the ones I did accessory adjustments on. For the hair, I used this hair in just the brown color and also the masculine hair, this one in brown. For the adjustments, x.47, y.46, z.59, rotate the x to 0.32 and scale it to 0.63. Let me see if this makes a difference, because I am trying to make the hair look a little bit messier than it is. Hold on. Okay, it doesn't make that difference. I'm not going to use that one. And then I just use this veil from VIP here for the position, for the rotation, x.39 and scale to 0.71. I just colored it in all white. Then for the crown, I use this crown in this color, CB841F, and in white. Position the Y at 0.51, rotate the X to 0.66. And then I also use this crown from Codes in all white. In the second toggle, positioned the Y at 0.56, Z 0.54, and scaled it to 0.20. For the outfit itself, I'm just going to use this Roblox item. If you don't have it, you can just use a really long skirt. And then for the top, we are going to use the witch corset, all white. And then we're also going to use these sleeves in all white as well. And then we are going to then get flowers, this one here in the one arm toggle, and I'm just going to color the leaves like this light green, and then I'm just going to kind of select between these like light colors like that. And that is it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.